Open Food Network adding products. Now you have an account, let's learn how to add products. Log into your account. Click the little icon at the top of the page, then click Administration. Click Products in the top bar or click Manage Products in the lower left. Click New Product in the upper right. Here is the form where you add product information. Here is where you enter the product name, for example, beans green. You can enter an image to go with your product listing on the catalog. Pictures are highly recommended. If you don't have good photos of your own product, you may be able to find free ones on unsplash.com. I'm going to put in an Unsplash photo of green beans. You click the Browse button to find the file on your computer, and then click Open the file, and then it will be there. You won't see it until you're done with this product entry and go back to your list of all products. Here is where you select the unit size from the drop-down. In this case, weight is chosen. If you are selling by the box or bag, you can choose item instead of weight. Now I've entered pounds for the unit size and 5 for the value, so I'm entering a 5-pound package of beans. Now enter Display As. This will appear below the photo on the catalog, and it's helpful to repeat the package size here for customer clarity. So I'm going to enter 5-pound package. Now go to the product category, and again there's a drop-down list. Here's where you can choose tags for your product that show up in the right-hand column on the catalog. To help customers sort by what they're looking for, I'm choosing produce. Now you input your price, and this is a little tricky because you need to enter the price that goes with the package size you entered above, which is 5 pounds. So if the price you want for green beans is $3 per pound, here you would enter $15. Once you have entered your price for the whole package, OFN automatically calculates and shows you the price per pound. If that looks right, you can move on. The tax category, which for fresh vegetables is nothing in Minnesota, you can ignore that. People selling soaps or personal care items have to attend to this. The drop-down list includes Minnesota sales tax if you need that. The shipping category you can leave as default. The drop-down list includes frozen, which you can choose if you're selling meat, for example. On hand, this is the number of 5-pound packages of green beans that you have available to sell. Let's say it's the first week of August and you will pick at least 100 pounds of beans this week. You can sell 20 5-pound packages. On demand is something you can use if you have a product that you only pick or prepare if you have an order. It can also be used for a product you have on hand all the time. The product description is where you can wax lyrical about your green beans. Non-GMO, crisp and tender, picked fresh daily, whatever you want to say. Just be aware that if you make claims about a product, you must be able to back them up. Now you've done all the things for this product, so we click Create. And it sends you back to the alphabetical product list where you can see beans and the image you input. You can manage this product from your product list. There's a little expander arrow on the left-hand side that shows the package you enter. And, by the way, you can enter multiple packages under the same product. They are called variants. If your bean season is ending, you can change your availability here. You can also change your price. So I change the quantity available to 8, and then this Save Change button appears in the lower right corner. So you click that and you're all set. As a hub producer, your hub manager will need to go into the hub store and pull your product in before it will show up in the hub catalog. If you need to change the description, add variants, or edit anything, you can click the Edit button. The button next to it will make a copy of your product. The one after that will delete the product. And once the hub manager pulls it into the order cycle, here's how it looks in the catalog. Note the product category is highlighted in the tag list here, because I clicked on that to just show produce. Now the price showing in the catalog reflects that 18% markup, which we have set in the Grand Rapids store, so it gets automatically added to all products. Here the price the customer sees is $17.70 when the farmer had entered $15. Open Food Network values openness. That's right in its name. If you click on this little pie chart next to the price, it shows you the breakdown between farmer's price and the hub's markup. That's what that looks like. There are other options for adding fees. You could add a delivery fee, for instance, or a fee for credit card use. We decided to keep it simple in Grand Rapids. Additional information and help can be found in the Open Food Network user guide and by emailing support.